Sega created Sonic to rival Mario, aiming to capture the hearts of the 90s generation. Sonic's first game, Sonic the Hedgehog, was released in 1991 and became a global success. Sonic can run faster than sound, reaching speeds of up to 1,225 km/h. Interestingly, Sonic's full name is Arako Sonic, though he's simply known as Sonic the Hedgehog. Dr. Robotnik was almost the protagonist before becoming Sonic's arch-nemesis. Sonic was once envisioned as a rocker with a band, capturing the spirit of rebellion. Sonic has competed in the Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games series. Sonic's iconic red shoes were inspired by Michael Jackson's costume in Bad. Sonic has been a playable character in Super Smash Bros. Brawl. Sonic has starred in various animated series since the 90s. Knuckles was created as Sonic's rival and nearly became the main character in Sonic 3. Shadow was inspired by Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z. Sonic had an exclusive game for PlayStation 3 called Sonic the Hedgehog, 2006. Sonic CD contains a secret ending with bizarre messages and sounds. Sonic made a special appearance in the Disney movie Detona Ralph. Sonic has been voiced by various famous actors, including Ben Schwartz in the 2020 film. Sonic and All-Stars Racing features Sonic and his friends in kart racing. Sonic the Hedgehog was developed in just 11 months, a remarkable feat. In Japan, Sonic featured in strange commercials including a blue wig human. Enjoy our channel and don't forget to like this video.